That cold front is finally out of our hair, but not before messing it up. We only made it to 80 degrees today, which kept the frizz factor up, which I'll get to in just 1 second. Our low this morning was 71 degrees because of all of those clouds, and that cold front kind of dominated our weather this evening, keeping us well below average for this afternoon, and just a little bit above average because of all those clouds. And look at that dive this morning as we headed into the evening hours last night. That was 79 yesterday at 5 o'clock. We headed down to 72 degrees, and we kind of stayed there for a couple of hours in the overnight hours because of all those clouds filtering on into the area. And that kept the clouds, those temperatures down until about noontime this afternoon. And when those clouds finally broke, those temperatures kept on going right on up into the upper 70s and up towards 80 degrees this afternoon. Those clouds will continue to break, but not before bringing us just a little bit of rain this evening. 33 hundredths of an inch this afternoon with that front as it passed on through. And so far for the year, we're up to 51.84 inches of rain, which brings us a surplus of nearly 5 inches of rain down there at the Tallahassee airport. That rain is just about over for us here in Tallahassee, but look at all the rain down towards South Florida, over towards Lake Okeechobee, and over towards the Everglades. And this is that front. Actually, the front's just crossing our area. You can kind of see it there as this radar animates. One more time, you can see it right there, that ribbon of moisture. That'll push on through in the overnight hours tonight, and there's actually a secondary cold push of air coming on. That'll bring in the cooler temperatures for tomorrow morning, Thursday morning, and again on Friday morning. But for right now, those temperatures are in the 80s, 84 downtown, with a couple of lingering clouds right now, and those I think will break tonight and into tomorrow. 79% humidity and 73 dew point. That's that frizz factor out there. That's what made your hair bigger this evening and into this afternoon. Nothing really wind-wise to kick up your hair, but really that dew point does it all by itself. That dew point will be heading on down for this evening. Temperatures across the area pretty uniform. 80 degrees at Tallahassee, 80 at St. Mark's, and 79 over there in Perry, upper 70s to low 80s all around. And the humidities, 85% in Perry, 77. This is a measure of the amount of air, moisture in the air right now, and it's quite muggy. 100% almost in Monticello. That is almost saturation at 100% there, and that moisture will be leaving our area, but that's going to have to filter in from the upper levels. This is an upper level map here, and these browns, that's drier air starting to work into our upper levels of our atmosphere right now. The cold front will take all these greens, that's that deeper moisture, and that'll shove it on down towards the south and east, but not before dropping quite a bit of rain down in central and south Florida for tonight's forecast. A couple of showers still possible here tonight, but I think most of those will end before 2 o'clock this morning, or tomorrow morning rather. 69 degrees will be your low with a 40% chance of rain. Wind switching from the west out to the north tomorrow for your forecast. 85 degrees tomorrow afternoon with clearing conditions and a light breeze out of the north. 7-day forecast right now. Slight warm-ups into the end of our week. 40% chance of rain with some residual showers heading into Thursday. Game day forecast, 89 degrees, although it should be in the low to mid 80s for kickoff at 8 o'clock against Clemson. Look at that Sunday morning forecast, 59 degrees. A little bit cooler as another cold push of air comes on in.